The 2019-2020 NBA season has just successfully concluded despite the coronavirus pandemic 2019, thanks to Commissioner Adam Silver and the NBA management pushing through the Orlando bubble. The season is said to be the longest season in NBA history. It started on October 22, 2019 and ended on October 10, 2020, the day when the Los Angeles Lakers beat the Miami Heat in Game 6. The Lakers just had their 17th championship. LeBron James his 4th championship, 4th Finals MVP as well. Anthony Davis is first. And who will forget the bro hitting his first unforgettable playoff shot at 3 to close Game 2 in the series versus the Denver Nuggets. And Rondo is just vacationing, celebrating his second ring with a hot babe. Now all of the NBA is talking about trade, acquisition and everything to be ready for the 2020 and 2021 season and for a possible championship. Rumors has it that the next season is expected to launch this December, of which several players already made their comments. Some disagree. But what may be significant is that it was reported that the next season will be played for 50 games only, and not the 82 games regular season. The reason that may be considered in reducing the games for the upcoming season is the fact that the NBA suffered tremendous losses in revenue. Remember that in the bubble, there's no fans in attendance. Inasmuch as the NBA have been hit economically, this means that each organization or NBA team may reduce the paychecks of its NBA players to 10% in accordance with escrow clause of their respective contracts, but this may be further increased to a 40% deduction. This means that the King LeBron James, whose annual pay is $37.44 million, may only bring home a paycheck of $22.46 million. Steph Curry, who is eligible to a paycheck of $43 million this season, may receive $25.8 million only. Anthony Davis, despite becoming a champion and earning $27.01 million per year, will only receive $16.21 million this coming season. James Harden of the Rockets, whose annual salary is $38.2 million, will only receive $22.92 million. Kawhi Leonard of the Clippers, whose annual salary is $32.4 million, will only be paid for $19.44 million. Kevin Durant, who will now be playing with Brooklyn Nets and whose annual salary would be $38.2 million, will only receive $29.22 million. The MVP Giannis Antetokounmpo, who is earning $24.16 million, will only receive $14.45 million this season. But as you can see, those highly paid players are not greatly affected. Who will be greatly affected to the application of the escrow clause and the effects of this pandemic are those who have minimum contracts. For example, the champ Kostas Antetokounmpo, the younger brother of Giannis, whose annual salary is just $780,000 this past season, will now only receive less than $500,000, and of course the new drafts, who will surely receive minimum calibrated contracts. This may mean to them that their plan may be to buy a house or a sports car is not feasible and may be postponed till the next season. The veracity of this report is still being clarified, but one thing is for sure for us fans of the NBA all around the world. Whenever and wherever the NBA will be playing, we are ready to support our respective favorite teams and players and the NBA as a whole.